Guess what's in my mini fridge?
It's what's in Nate's mini fridge.
So bright.
It's mini fridge food tour time.
I'm so tired. King size Reese's peanut butter cups, half eaten. One of my C-store friends gave this to me because it expired the next day, and it's probably like heavily expired by this point. We got bubbly sparkling water. We got coffee, a college student essential. There's like 10% left of this drink. I don't know why I didn't finish it. Back into the void you go. C-store sub sandwich, which expired a week ago. Huge thing of coffee, also like 10% full. I don't know why I don't finish this stuff. Is it a metaphor for how I get like 90% of the way to my goals and then give up on the last 10%? Maybe. Is it a reflection of my work style and how I'm incapable of completing any big projects no matter how close I get? Also possibly. I've got some more expired yogurt. And then we got some leftovers from a boba place that I went to. I'm not really feeling this video anymore. What am I doing with my life? Listen, I don't know how to end this video. You know that I can't finish this video. Please just give me a good grade. I need this. Please.